realm of riddles.
In the wild plains of 𝗨𝗏𝗄, you are a female peacock, and above anything else, you value intelligence. In front of you, you have multiple potential mates, each of which has their fan tail open. Each peacock's fan tail has a series of different figures on each section. You will only mate with the most intelligent, logical, and rational peacock. Who will you choose as your life partner? Pause the video now to solve the riddle for yourself. To solve this riddle, you must find the only peacock who has a logical pattern on the fans of its tail. All other peacocks actually have semi-random patterns. The only peacock with a logical pattern on its tail is the purple peacock. The purple peacock's pattern is the following. First, it starts with one spot. Then, it adds one spot to the total. Then, it repeats the same number of spots. Then, it increases again until it reaches the middle fan of the tail. The pattern followed so far is then mirrored in reverse, down the other side of the tail. Therefore, the purple peacock is the most intelligent, logical peacock of them all, and the one you should pick.